Myntri Rangbahduh jela ukan rat ke sangma hini kesngi ulah samik shithi thongkam syakilai spa saupun riungut kinong hikai LP School haga jingelang kabala long ha State Convention Center Shillong ha kabala ya donlang Myntri katanat pulih putih urakam e sangma ya kani ka program la pelong da ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy katanat pulih putih bat ka sarkar jela la samik shithi hini kesngi sha prap hongut nakabenta ka East KHASI Hills Praposangut nakabenta ka West Giant Hills, Saposangut nakabenta ka East Giant Hills, Saposangut nakabenta ka West KHASI Hills, Sapowangut nakabenta ka Southwest KHASI Hills, Arposangut nakabenta ka Eastern West KHASI Hills, but Arponyangut nakabenta ka Ribhoy District.
Panmitlang walang, Rojasing Rinjak, Dapi yaki ti harmujai, Dapi Indari Bhashisha Rainbon, Nakhawar Ringse.
Receiving the appointment letters, as it is a very, very important day for all of you. And as mentioned by the Honorable Minister, that there's a reason why we felt that this kind of an exercise is important, is because while the appointments are given, I think it's a special day for you, number one. And it's a day that you will always remember. And obviously we realize the importance of the teaching community in our society.
Borok ki bang shimet ki batrikam